So here we have the function given and we have to find the values of p that are permissible, right? The maxima of the function is obtained for some negative value of x, okay? And so this is the maxima. Maxima is obtained for some negative value of x and the minima is obtained for some positive value of x, okay? So this is the case. Now, if I try to find out the n behavior of the function, okay, we'll have to see the coefficient of x cube. Okay, this is a cubic function. So at max, it can have two terms, right? So on the left hand side, for x tending to negative infinity, fx has to go to negative infinity as well, right? Because the coefficient of x cube is positive, right? So if x is a very big negative number, the whole fx value has to be something very big negative number. Okay, so the graph has to start from here for sure, like this. And similarly, for x tending to positive infinity, the function as a whole will be going towards positive infinity. Okay, so that means the graph will be reaching up like this on the right hand side. For x tending to positive infinity, fx has to go towards positive infinity like this. Okay, and for x equal to 0, if you put x equal to 0 in this one, the value is going to be -6 here. Okay, it has to pass from this point 0 comma -6 here. Okay, on the y-axis, right? So what can be the possibilities? Okay, we'll try to see. So the graph can be like coming like this, and it can be going like this, passing through this point. This is the case, right? Can there be other possibilities also? Let's see. If the graph is like it has to reach the two extreme red lines, they have to be there, right? So can we have a possibility like it comes like this and it goes like this? Is it possible the function take the green path? No. Why? Because the minima is falling on the left hand side of the y-axis for negative value of x. But that is not allowed. The minima has to be for some positive x, right? Correct. So this is not allowed. Let's omit this one. Okay. Can it be like, let's omit this. Now, can it be like it goes like this? It goes like this. And is there any other possibility? It cannot cross like this because it has to pass through that point 0 comma -6, right? So this black trajectory cannot be the path for the function as well, right? So you see that this is the yellow one can be the only path the function can take, right? And now at this particular point, at the point 0 comma -6, right? That means for x is equal to 0, the graph has to be a decreasing one. Okay, the graph has to be a decreasing graph. That means f dash 0 has to be negative because the graph is decreasing at the point. Okay, so we'll try to find out, and that will give me the possible interval for the values of p. Okay, so f dash x, if I write, this is going to be 3x square plus 2x times 2p minus 7 plus 3 times 2p minus 9, like this. And f dash 0 is going to be, if I place 0 in that one, I'm going to get simply 3 2p minus 9, right? And this f dash 0 has to be negative because the function is decreasing there. You see the function is going down at this point, right? At this point, the function has to go down. This has to be negative, right? So I'll simply say this value here, this thing here is negative, right? So 3 times 2p minus 9 is negative. That is the same as 2p minus 9 is negative. That means p is less than 9 upon 2. Okay. So p, if it is less than 9 by 2, if I have to write the interval, I can write P belongs to negative infinity, comma 9 upon 2. So if I select from the options given, option number 3 is the correct answer for the question, isn't it? Okay, thank you.